Hi guys, my name is Daniela and I'm here to show a hair that I got from Yvonne Hair. They come here in this little package. They come with a band. I got this time a ponytail, a 22 inches ponytail. This is the hair I got. It's a very pretty ponytail. I've washed twice and I've changed the color to black. And I'm gonna show today how easy it is to apply them. They have these two grips inside, one in the bottom, one in the top. They also have this adjustable elastic right here, which is very, very handy. You measure the size of your bum, and then you grip and tied it up right here, so it will stick, right? Okay, so to apply it, it's super easy. All you have to do is take the main grip here and grab inside your hair. After that, you wear it inside your bum and flip the under grip. And girls, it's ready. That is it. We are ready to go. It's so pretty, so soft. The delivery is super fast. The hair is amazing. I love it. All right, I'll see you girls. I hope you have enjoyed. Right? Bye.